Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nazmul Islam in front of you. I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also glad by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am very happy to come here because my niece came to video with me for making this video because this video is very important and crucial for learning English and for day-to-day life. So that's why I have decided to come here and for making this video. Actually, I think that this video will helpful and will benefit to everyone because I want to share with you some important vocabularies that is very important for our day-to-day life. So right now I am starting this video in front of you. Today I will say just Bengali word and my niece will try to say the English meaning of Bengali word. So right now I am going to ask her. So she is my niece. She is very intelligent, smart and beautiful girl. So how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Taiba.
So what do you do?
I'm a student.
So what class do you read in?
I read in class 4.
Okay, that sounds great. So do you like to learn English or vocabulary?
Yes, I like to learn English and vocabulary.
Okay. Yes, it is very nice and that sounds great. So if I tell you some Bengali word, can you tell or can you translate them into English?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So right now I will ask you some important Bengali word and I will see that whether you can't say or not. So are you ready to say this English meaning?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Right now my first word is, what is the English meaning of Griho Shikhok?
Tutor.
Okay, that's great. Sounds great. My next word is Hisab Rakhok.
Accountant.
And my another word is Orthonitibid.
Economics.
Wow, that's great. You did a good job. Oh, okay. And my another word is Rajnitibid.
Politician.
Okay. And my next word is Bicharok.
Judge.
Wow. Another word is Sangbadik.
Journalist.
And my next word is Johori.
Jeweler.
Wow, thank you so much. And my another word is Shornokar.
Goldsmith.
That sounds great. And my next word is Kamar.
Blacksmith.
Wow, sounds great. And my last word is Sromik.
Worker.
Wow, thank you so much. You did a good job. And may Allah bless you. And I will pray every day and every time. Thank you so much, Taiba, because you did a good job. And that's why I have to say thanks a lot. And my another word is to everyone. That is very important. Actually, this type of word is very important for our learning English. Actually, if anyone want to learn English and if anyone want to speak fluently like native, then he has to learn this type of vocabulary. And this type of vocabulary is most crucial for learning English. So if you don't learn this type of vocabulary or other word, then you can't say anything in English. So you have to learn English more and more vocabulary for improving your site or English sites. Thank you so much for watching my video and hearing me. And I want everyone will subscribe my channel and touch the bell icon as well as like my channel and share to others this video. Then I will be more inspired to release a video in YouTube and it will be very good for me or others. So Allah Hafiz.